Hello my people, I just come back for work. I'm very tired, but that will not be an excuse. As I come back for work, I need to cook for my family, make they eat. It's very important, guys. Coming back from work is not an excuse, so you need to make food for the family. So what will they cook today? I cook vegetable, guys. Vegetable. First of all, so I put my onion to fry. So I need to fry my onions with rosemary and maggi. So make the onions fry small. Guys, now they eat garlic like me. I love garlic, guys. Okay guys, this one is my garlic. As you all know, I love garlic. So garlic is very good for the body, guys. Try the hard garlic for your food. When I new come this country that time, if I see people where they use garlic, they cook, I'll say, no, garlic they smell. It smell. This one I'm curry. Me now I can't do without no garlic. I know if you do it, I need to add my vegetable, guys. So our veggie is there. My food is ready, guys. So now wait till me I want eat be this one. A lot of vegetable, then small portion of rice, guys, because it's a little bit late. This one of my son who we don't eat and since my children too like vegetable. So now wait till I eat with this.
No, I'm back. I'm back.
Vegetable is very good, guys. Vegetable is the best. This food was so yummy.
Just the ulcers.
Want meat?
Yeah, I like it.
Like the meat?
I like it.
Mm.
What's that?
You not finish your the meat. Take the meat now.
Mr. Meat?
Mm-hmm.
This is fried.
Yeah. It's fresh. Oh, you carry behind. This bowl.
Isn't it fried?
Yeah.
Isn't it fried?
That is broccoli.
Broccoli.